Hey everybody, back with another video. Today we are going to add some Mini GTs to the collection. Not too many as you can see, so it seems like we are a little bit behind on schedule here in Europe. I got a lot of Mini GTs on pre-order, but that is all that arrived today. But I would say there is some pretty interesting stuff and we get right into it with this one here. Honda Civic Type R Customer Racing Study. This is number 23, and if you take a close look at the cardboard box, then you see this car should be black, but it's a Zamek version, and if you are a little bit familiar with a Mini GT, then you know this is the Chase, and I'm pretty happy that I got it, and I got it for a reasonable price. Here is the regular version on the right side. So regular version, Chase version. So basically the same livery, but this is a Zamek version, but it's got the same deco on it, and yeah, kind of cool. And I will keep it in this blister packaging. So let's put this one to the side and bring the rotator in while we open up the next one, this guy here. This is the Bugatti Divo presentation version. It's number 474. So let's open this one up. There we go. So for all of you that are not familiar with Mini GT, in this cardboard box there is a piece of plastic that does protect these models very well, and you can always store your models back into the packaging, and here it is. Oh, this one does look really nice. So when you get a Mini GT, you get a metal body, metal base, rubber tires, a lot of details, and normally these things do roll very well. And I think so does this one, which is kind of cool. So yeah, here we got the metal base, we got rubber tires with some tread on them, which is kind of cool. And I mean, look at all these details. Look at the rims, how detailed they are. And then let's take a look at the roof. You can see we got some parts that got this carbon fiber pattern on them. Also here on the wing. And yeah, let's look here at the back. We got this Bugatti lettering here. You can see some engine details. The French flag here on the side, which is pretty nice. Yeah. So in this case we don't have any lensed headlights. They are painted, but yeah, I guess it's just too small to put some lensed headlights in. This is the back. Some nice exhaust details. Or look at the fuel cap. Yeah. Once again, a very nice model from Mini GT. Let's put this one to the side. And go on with this one, which is number 395. And yeah, this is another version of the 190e 2.5 16 Evolution 2. So yeah, let's open this one up. There we go. This one is definitely one of my favorite models from Mini GT. I do own several versions of this vehicle. I mean, look at those details. It's hard to see, and you have to be very careful when you take it out of the packaging. So look right here. On the front we got a little Mercedes star, and you have to be careful that you don't destroy it. Look at all the details on the grille, the lensed headlights, the defroster line on the rear window, the driver's name here on the side, which is I think Lohr. Look at these nice rims. We also got lensed taillights. And yeah, I'm kind of wondering about the deco, to be honest, because West, in my opinion, is a cigarette company, and I think you don't, or most of these model car companies don't put that onto their cars. And as you can see, now we got East and West, which is kind of cool in my opinion. So yeah, same car, different livery, but yeah, I had to have it because this is a really cool pair in my opinion. Let's watch them for a while to see all the details and the differences. Like here on the roof we got a yellow stripe, here it is a red stripe. Different numbers for sure. Yeah, pretty nice. If you're interested in, these are some other versions of this model. I do have some more, but yeah, a really cool model from Mini GT, coming in very many nice versions. So yeah, there is our West model, and we got one last Mini GT to unbox. This is number 377, the Nissan Skyline GTR Group A from the 1991 Macau Grand Prix. There we go. If you are a subscriber of this channel and you have already watched some of my videos, you know that I'm a huge fan of these racing or rally liveries, or maybe drift cars. And this one, yeah, there's a lot of deco and livery going on. So we got a lot of colors, some nice two-color rims. As you can see, we got this chrome ring and the white 5 spokes, some engine details. And as you can see here on the metal base, there is written which car we do have. I don't know when Mini GT is doing this. I guess on the other guys, as you can see, you won't read anything. But yeah, anyways, we get lensed headlights, some really nice detailed sponsor logos down here, lensed taillights, the defroster lines. This is a right-hand drive version. Got some nice exhaust details. Yeah, a pretty nice version. Basically, it's the same livery as this guy here. this BMW E30, which is a Hong Kong exclusive, as you can see, that I will keep in the packaging because I got it sealed for a reasonable price. So let's put the rotator to the side. And group our Mini GTs together. And as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite, and you know, as these Mini GT models are pretty nice, it's kind of hard, but yeah. This is the first version that I got of the Bugatti Divo, and yeah, I have to say it's a pretty nice version, so I would say this guy is my favorite from today's video. And with that, I say thank you for watching. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, goodbye and see you next time. Happy hunting.